Hello everyone, this is Zihad. Now I will tell you what I do from morning to noon. Uh, this is winter season, so I get late wake up. I wake up at 9:30 a.m. and then I lay in my bed 10 minutes. Then I get up and go to bathroom and I cleaning my teeth, then I have a breakfast, then I leave my home and I go to my college with my friends. We stay at around 2 hours, then I go back my home and I have a shower and then I have a big lunch. Usually I sometime uh, after lunch take a nap, so I have a little rest. Thank you and thank you all.